All right, everybody. Today we're going to go over the coffee cup in case you haven't done it yet. So we're going to do some lofts and a sweep. So we're going to start by picking up our sketch. We're going to start with the circle with the base and the top. So we're going to make this 3.1 and enter. So I am looking up the numbers for the height, which is what we need to offset the bottom. So I'm gonna go in and go to 3D model. Well, I'm gonna finish sketch. 3D model, and I'm gonna click on plane. I'm gonna offset from plane. I'm gonna go into origin until I can pick up that plane. Now this is going up. So I need to offset that by 0.875 plus 2.75 plus 0.25. If you weren't aware, instead of doing the math yourself, you can tell Inventor to do the math for you, which is what I did. So now I'm gonna make the bigger circles, which is 3.6. I'm gonna hit enter. Let's finish my sketch. So we have our bottom and our base and our top. And now I'm gonna go under my loft. I'm gonna select the bottom, I'm gonna select the top, and we have the general shape of it. So I'm gonna go in here and rename this. Double click this here. I'm gonna rename this main body cup. Just kind of stay organized here. As you will notice, things will start to get busy over here, so it's good to stay on top of that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make another offset plane for our slot. So it doesn't matter where I select the YZ or the XY. So I'm going to do YZ. And I'm going to offset it by the radius of the largest diameter, which is 1.8. Now that this work plane is here, I can sketch on this surface. If I go off to the side and I try picking up this side, I cannot pick up this. So I need this work plane to start sketching. So I'm going to click on this. As you may have noticed, I'm already on the center of this. So I'm going to pick up the top, and I'm going to go down 0.25, hit enter. Now I have my position of my slot. So on the rectangle, I'm going to select my slot overall. No, I'm actually going to select slot center point. So you see how it goes both ways. I'm going to type in 0.125, hit enter. And I'm going to type in 0.250, enter. And before I move forward, I'm going to get rid of this line here. Hit OK. Finish sketch. So I have my slot here. So the next thing I want to do is start sketching up the sweep, the path. So I'm gonna go in here. I need something perpendicular to this, so I'm gonna scroll down. See, I got my XY plane. So I'm gonna start a sketch. Let me see. I'm actually gonna have to select this plane again and click an XY. So that's fine. Oop, it's not popping up. Yep. Click on this. So now I can start sketching on this. So I don't know if you noticed, but that was right in the center of the body of the cup. So I'm gonna start sketching. I'm gonna go down. So I'm gonna go 0.25, 5, and enter. So now this line will intersect in the center of this slot. So I'm just tell it to go maybe 2.5. 5, hit enter. hit escape. Now I'm gonna go down and continue making the other point. The second point I believe is 2.75. Yep, 2.75. Hit enter. So that's the second point of the handle. So make sure I'm going 90 degrees. I'm gonna snap to this. Hit escape. So we got our line there. So what I can do next is I can do a spline. Click here. And then I'm going to pick up that second point. I'm going to hit yes. So what I'm going to do now is finish sketch. Try to do the sweep. And now I have my handle. So, which is good. So the second thing you need to do is, so let me see, sweep. I'm gonna rename this handle. Let's see, main body cup, plane 2. So the second work plane is slot for handle. Okay, so now we have to do the revolve, the loft inside of the cup. So, see how it's all connected? Just what we want. So now we need to do a second loft. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna offset from plane, go down here, and I'm gonna select the base. So for our second loft, I'm gonna tell it to go 1/4 inch. You may have noticed my arrows going down. So what I'm gonna have to do here to offset it going up is I'm gonna have to type in negative. Now that plane is going positive. So it's offset from the bottom. See, it's right here, that plane. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start a new sketch. I'm gonna select this plane. So I can either draw from the top or the bottom. Whatever I do, it's gonna be on this plane, not on a cup itself. So the bottom diameter was 3.1, so maybe I'll go 2.9. So I'm gonna hit finish sketch. And now the top, I'm gonna sketch on this, start sketch. So this was 3.6, so I'm gonna make it maybe 3.4. 3.4, hit enter, finish sketch. Now I can do that second loft. So I'm gonna highlight just the circle, just this circle. So this first selection is join. So this is trying to make another body. What we need to do is we need to highlight cut. It's gonna cut out this shape out of this body. So I'm gonna hit OK. So there's our cup. That's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it. Hope you have a good one.